A federal judge in Oregon overturned the ban on gender-affirming healthcare for children in the U.S., which advocates say is a major win for patients and their families and a huge loss for the Trump administration and RFK Jr. A federal judge in Oregon a little over a week ago said that the de facto ban on gender-affirming care for children showed a wanton disregard for the law and said that RFK Jr.'s action causes very real harm to very real people. Gender-affirming care often includes puberty blockers and hormones, but it can also include social support and just a doctor listening. Back in December, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. announced that the U.S. would no longer be funding gender-affirming care through Medicaid and Medicare, and any health system that receives Medicaid and Medicare, which is all of them, would not be allowed to offer gender-affirming care to children. Since pretty much every health system in the country accepts Medicaid and Medicare, that means that essentially gender-affirming care was then banned. And kind of one of the strangest parts of all is that this ban was effective immediately. Usually this goes through a rulemaking process, it takes several months, it requires public comment, there's a lot of different steps, but Kennedy called on this really obscure provision in HHS law saying that they could expel any facility that wasn't up to their standards of care. That actually has really wide-ranging repercussions for pretty much all patients. That means the federal government could say that the care that you or I are getting is not up to their standards of care and that your doctor is no longer allowed to offer it to you. This has implications for abortion and kind of just anything that comes in the crosshairs of a federal administration. The judge called the ban unserious and unsafe. Experts told me this is a huge step forward for families because gender-affirming care was halted in at least 40 facilities across the U.S. A lot of people were left in limbo.